In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build inventory forms in Jotform using Claude AI. Start by going to Jotform and logging into your account. Once you are signed in, open Claude AI in your browser so you can use it alongside Jotform. Before creating the form, take a moment to define the goal of your inventory form. Decide what information you want to collect and track. This may include stock levels, product details, supplier information, restocking status, or inventory updates. When you are clear on the goal, use Claude AI to generate the form. Enter this prompt exactly. Create an inventory form directly in my Jotform account with structured sections for product details, stock levels, supplier information, and updates. Make it clear, organized, and ready to use. After submitting the prompt, allow Claude AI time to create the form in your Jotform account. Next, go back to Jotform and review the generated form. Check that the layout matches the type of inventory process you want to manage. Make sure the sections are clear and that the form includes the main areas you need for tracking items and updates. If needed, add more inventory-specific fields. Common fields include product name, SKU, quantity, category, supplier, and restock status. These fields help make the form more useful for day-to-day inventory management. You can also include notes or update fields if your team needs to track changes over time. Start with product information, then move to stock details, then supplier information, and finish with updates or status changes. This makes the form easier to complete and easier to review later. Now customize the form to fit your workflow. Edit field labels so they are easy to understand. Add short instructions where needed. Mark important fields as required so users do not skip essential information. Keep the wording consistent across the form so it feels organized and professional. Once the form content is ready, adjust the form settings. You can enable notifications so the right people are alerted when new inventory entries are submitted. You can also connect integrations if you use other tools for inventory tracking or reporting. Before publishing, preview the form and test the full submission flow. Make sure every field works correctly and the form is easy to complete from start to finish. When everything looks right, publish the form and share it. You can copy the direct link or embed the form on your website or internal page. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.